Goodwill finds wooden bucket. I found this. It was like $1.99. It's made of solid wood. It's got these metal straps around the side of it. Really nice patina on the wood. And yeah, I haven't removed the price tag yet. Has a handle with a wooden handle. And the inside is also painted black, which is kind of interesting. I thought this would make a great piece for my photo stories. Maybe just a background piece. What do you think? Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.